In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the YouTube ads not showing. If you are a content creator inside of YouTube and your videos are not getting any ads, let me show you a couple of things that you can check out in order to ensure that your videos do indeed get ads. So firstly, you need to make sure that the monetization is toggled on. So if you head over to any video inside of the content page inside of YouTube Studios, you'll be able to see the option called monetization. So you need to make sure that this is selected. Only then you will be able to get monetized, and only then your video will get ads. Also, you need to make sure that the content that you're uploading is advertiser friendly and also follows the guideline of YouTube. If this monetization section is drawn yellow, then that means the ads are going to be restricted and no ads are going to be shown inside of your YouTube videos. So once you fix these issues, you'll be able to fix the YouTube ad not showing inside of your YouTube channel. Also, sometimes you'll need to wait for approvals. So you need to wait or take some time until your ads are approved inside of your videos. So those are the few steps that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.